Hello friends, today we are going to look at how to make Python powered self-driving car. For this program, we just need a car sprite and a backdrop. So to get the car sprite, go to your sprite library and then type car. As you can see, I've chosen this car. So once you double click, you'll get in your backdrop here. And then to get the backdrop, go to the backdrop, choose grid. I've used 30 pixel grid, this one. So just double click on that and it will appear here as how you see. Next, for the coding part, the coding part is very simple. As you can see on my screen here, these are the only coding required. So I'm sure you guys can pause the video to get the full coding. Okay, and there's no coding for the stage. Now we move on to test our code. So as usual, I'm going to click run all and then go full screen. I'm testing the code now. So run all. I'm going to show some sign and hopefully the car moves accordingly. Yes, go. Turn left. The car is turning left. Okay, good. U-turn. Yes, the car is U-turning, reversing. And then turn left again. Stop. Yeah, the car is detecting stop sign. U-turn, yes. Turn left, yes, the car is detecting turn left. Go straight, yes, the car is going straight. Stop, yep, the car is detecting stop. Yes guys, the program works as how we coded. Thank you very much for watching my video.